To start this type of question, you ask yourself, what is the formula I'm going to use? You ask yourself, which formula? So one of the formula or a rule, which rule you're going to use? You use this rule number 1, the rule there. The rule says that if you multiply two things, so that 9 is like the A, that 1/4 is like the B.
Yep.
What should you do? You times them.
Mhm.
So 9 times 1/4, and you put the square root. So 9 times 1/4 is the same as square root of 9/4. And then what does the second rule say? The second rule is saying that when you have square root of this one, you're working backwards. When you have square root of A over B, you can take it as square root of A separate at the top, divided by square root of B separate at the bottom. So square root of 9/4, you do square root of 9 at the top, divided by square root of 4. Square root of 9 is 3, square root of 4 is 2. That's why I got 3/2.
Okay.
And if you put that in your calculator, you will get that answer. If you put this in your calculator, you will get this answer, 3/2. So you are using two rules here, or two formulas. You're using the formula number 1 and
Yep.
formula number 2. It's not a guessing game. You have to use this formula to get the answer. If you forget this formula and this method, you won't be able to do this question without calculator. The first thing is take the two numbers and multiply them together and write it as a fraction, 9/4. And then you're going from right to left. That's the tricky bit. Most time you go from left to right, but here you're going from right to left. So you take the A, which is 9/4, separate it as square root of 9 over square root of 4. As square root of 9 is 3, square root of 4 is 2.
Okay.
That's how you do that type.